Here comes Kamal, and we have his wife Vani with him. Well, he seems to be having fun. And next we have Mr. Satyanarayana Rao, and here is Mr. Jambi Ganeshan, yeah? And, oh, here comes Mr. Sashi Kapoor with Jennifer. Oh, yeah, he's coming up to the dais to have a small talk with me. Yeah, he said hello. This is Sri Vidya. Here Sashi is having quite an interesting chat. He seems to be enjoying himself. And here's the best actor of Malayalam for this year. And then we have so many people there who seem to be having a nice time. Here is Mr. Amol Palekar, who has come with his wife Chitra. Here is beautiful Rati. Yeah, she's come with her family. Here Amol is having a talk about how he got his awards. We have Vidhu Bala, who also has made a grand entry at this time. We have Mr. Shoban Babu and Vijayan, Raj Kumar. We had Zarina Wahab, who looked rather charming that day. Mr. Raghavan. And then here comes the great director of the South, Mr. Bharati Raja, followed by Mr. Bharadhan, and then Mr. Dorai. Here we have Maushmi Chatterjee with Jitendra. Oh, they seem to have come together. Jayalalita, Sudhakar, Rekha, Ambika, Saukar Janaki. This is Charu Hassan with his daughter Suhasini, Jay Sudha, who is followed closely by Subhashini, that is her sister. And then, who shall we have? We have Jay Chitra here. We seem to be having quite a number of people today. Here is Mr. Adur Basi. He also seems to be like talking to me. Miss Rupa. And then Roja Ramani. K.R. Vijaya. This is Mr. Mahendran. Sheila. Her husband has not come with her, I presume. Lata. Deepa, who is known as Unni Mary. And here comes charming Sujata with her husband, Mr. Jaikar. And we have Satya Kala here. Going on to the program in the evening, we had a great variety of dance and music performances. Here, this is a Gujarati dance taking place here. And then after that, we had all the VIPs who gave the official opening speech. Here we have Mr. L.B. Prasad, who gave quite an interesting speech. And then we came on to the awards. We had Mr. Babu receiving an award from Maushmi. And then it went on so in the evening. Jay Sudha giving the award to Mr. Dorai. Jay Chitra, who gave the award to Mr. Bharadhan. And Jitendra, who gave his film to Dasari Narayana Rao. And then Miss Lata, who gave the award to Mr. Mahendran for Udripukar. Arati, who received the award from Sashi Kapoor. Oh yeah, he gave a gentle pat also. Kamal Hassan, who gave the award to Sri Vidya. And then Sujata, who received the award from Jayalalita. And so it went on. The award winners from all the languages got their respective awards from their colleagues and co-workers. Shobha's mother, who received the award from Saukar Janaki. Unni Mary, who gave the award to Amol Palekar. And here he receives the award as the best actor for Malayalam. He got it from Rekha, where he was quite thrilled about it. Rati, who gave the award to Mr. Shoban Babu. K.R. Vijaya to Best Actor of Tamil, Mr. Sivakumar. And with all this, the function came to an end. Thank you.
എന്നെ അനുഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നു.
മോനെ, എനിക്കൊരു കാര്യം നിങ്ങളോട് പറയണം. നീ വലിയവനായി എന്നുള്ള അഹങ്കാരം ഒരിക്കലും നിന്റെ മനസ്സിൽ വരാൻ പാടില്ല. മറ്റുള്ളവരുടെ മനസ്സിൽ വേണം നീ വലിയവനായി നിറഞ്ഞു നിൽക്കുക.
അമ്മ പറയുന്നത്
നമ്മൾ വലുതായി എന്ന് തോന്നുമ്പോൾ മറ്റുള്ളവരെ ചെറുതായി കാണുന്നത് മാത്രമേ ഞാൻ പറയുന്നു. ആത്മവിശ്വാസവും ചെയ്യുന്ന തോന്നുന്ന ആത്മഹത്യം കാണിച്ചാൽ ദൈവം നിന്നോടൊപ്പം എപ്പോഴും കാണും മോനെ.